welcome to my canal. I am Shirley Cruz, La Clase Queen. I am so happy to be here with you guys, and today I want to talk about losing weight. It's so important for everyone to take care of their bodies and their health. I used to be 30 pounds overweight, and I still need to lose more weight. But just like it took me a while to gain all the weight, it's going to take me some time to lose it, to lose all the weight. I am up for the challenge, and so every day I'm trying to eat healthy, to take care of my body, to take care of myself, for me and for the ones I love. Let me tell you what I did to lose the weight. I started juicing. It is a good way to eat more vegetables and more fruits. When I was overweight, I was eating nothing but junk food. Everything that I was eating, it was not healthy. It was not good for my body. I was feeling so tired. I was not happy with myself. I was depressed, and I was gaining weight, and I decided this is enough. I can't do this anymore. I want to change my life. I went to see a doctor, and when I got out of the doctor's office, I was crying. My cholesterol was so high. My high blood pressure was not good. He told me that the only way that I can get off the medication is if I try to lose some weight. So I decided to make a change, and I lost 20 pounds, and I am so happy. I know that I'm not super skinny and I still need to lose some more weight, but I'm happy and I'm proud of myself that I lost 20 pounds. So let me tell you the benefits of juicing. It will increase vitamins and minerals into your body. It will help you lose weight. It will increase your energy level. You will have so much energy. It will decrease inflammation and reset your body. It will protect you against disease, and it will detox your body. Another thing you're gonna see is your skin. Your skin is gonna look beautiful. You're gonna feel amazing. Juicing has definitely changed my life. I recommend everyone to try it. I am so ready to start juicing. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is all the delicious juices that I just made. They taste so good. If you're one of those people that don't like vegetables, so when you start juicing, add more fruits and less vegetables. Once you get used to the taste of vegetables, you can start adding more vegetables and less fruits. Also, when I first started juicing, for 7 days, the only thing that I was putting into my body was these juices. I will have one in the morning, one for lunch, and one for dinner. That helped me detox my body, and I also lost 5 pounds within that week. It is so important, guys, for you to start eating healthy. I hope everybody starts juicing, and it will definitely change your life. It will improve your health. You will just be a different person. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.